If you've been spending any time on Pinterest or YouTube lately, you've seen them. Massive black steel estates with floor-to-ceiling glass, soaring 20-foot ceilings, and interiors that look like they belong in a 5-star mountain resort. They're called luxury barndominiums, and the common myth, the thing everyone tells you, is that they are cheap to build. But as we move through 2026, the reality is a bit more complicated. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and give you the real numbers. No sugarcoating, no sales pitches, just a raw budget breakdown of what it actually costs to go from a dirt lot to a luxury sanctuary. First, we need to define our baseline. For this breakdown, we are looking at a 2,500 square foot luxury build. We aren't talking about a basic metal shed with some carpet thrown in. We're talking about high-end finishes, custom cabinetry, and premium energy systems. In 2026, the average cost for a luxury barndo is hovering between $160 and $220 per square foot. That means for a 2,500 square foot home, you're looking at a total investment of $400,000 to $550,000. Now, before that number scares you off, remember, a traditional custom home with these same luxury features would easily cost you $300 per square foot or more. So the barndo discount is real, but it's not magic. Let's break it down, starting with the shell and steel. The kit itself, the steel columns, the trusses, and the metal siding, usually accounts for about $60,000 to $90,000. This is where most people get confused. They buy the kit and think they're halfway there. But in reality, the shell is only about 15 to 20% of your total budget. The heavy lifting starts with the slab. A luxury barndo needs a heavy-duty, engineered slab, often with integrated radiant floor heating. In 2026, with concrete prices where they are, you should budget at least $35,000 to $45,000 just for a high-quality, polished foundation. Don't skip on this, because in a barndo, the slab is your floor. Now, let's talk about the luxury variables. This is where the budget either stays on track or explodes. Windows are the biggest culprit. If you want those massive black frame industrial windows that define the barndo look, you are looking at a $30,000 to $50,000 window package. High-efficiency glass isn't cheap, but in a steel building, your insulation and window quality are the only things standing between you and a massive electric bill. Then there's the interior framing and the big three: plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Because of the open concept nature and the high ceilings, your HVAC system needs to be high performance. Expect to pay around $80,000 for these combined trades. Again, we are building for resilience and comfort, not just the bare minimum. The soul of a luxury barndo is in the finishes. This is where you spend the money that people actually see. Custom quartz countertops, wide plank white oak flooring, and that grand room fireplace. For a luxury build, you should set aside $100,000 to $150,000 for interior finishes. It sounds like a lot, but when you're filling a space with 20-foot vaults, the scale of everything increases. You need larger light fixtures, more cabinetry, and more stone. But here is the truth that most contractors won't tell you: the soft costs. In 2026, permits, engineering stamps, land clearing, and bringing utilities to your site can easily eat up $40,000 before you even pour a drop of concrete. If you're building off-grid or on a rural lot, that number can climb even higher. So why do we do it? If it costs $500,000, why not just buy a normal house?